Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Artsy. I hope you're doing well. This video is a follow-up from the video I did a couple weeks ago titled Will Montego Bay Have the Tallest Building in Jamaica? So under that video, a couple of you were asking where exactly they are planning to build the 4 28-story blocks of resort style accommodations, which could very well be the tallest building in Jamaica and possibly even in the Caribbean. Well, in today's video, I'm giving you the Google Earth view, the view from the land, and even the seaside view. And believe me, you don't want to miss that one. So the piece of land is located across from the Smokehouse restaurant before you get to the gas station or to Long Hill. So this is a look at it from above using the Google Earth map, and as you can see, the Friendly Irons shooting range is beside it and the Smokehouse restaurant is just across the street. So let's look at it from the ground level. Right here we're at the MVP Smokehouse. That's the restaurant over there. Which means that across the road seems to be the property. This piece of land that we're seeing here, this is AGS Homes Highway or Road, or otherwise known as Bogue Road. We just passed the entrance to Bogue Heights not too long ago. Now I am going to try and cross the road here and see if we can go over the border there and go over to the next side. I'm trying to think if there is an opening somewhere. Is there an opening somewhere for like further up there so we can use? Or may I go climb the wall? As you can see, that Smokehouse, MVP Smokehouse over there, and just across the street from them we have the Friendly Irons Gun Club. I think that's it. So the gun club is here, and then the land is adjacent to the gun club, which means that the piece of land would be this stretch going all the way down. Now they call this area Redding Pen, and I was told that it's short for Redding Peninsula. So right here on the map. Also of note is that the Fairview Shopping Center, the largest shopping center in Jamaica, is located a couple minutes drive from here. And now let's take it to the sea. I think we're going to end up right here and over here. Possibly, maybe. Before we move on this channel, we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay. We meet every Sunday, and sometimes I give you 1 or 2 bonus videos in the week. So if that seems like something you would be interested in, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And join me over on the community tab. I ask questions to learn more about what you like. Plus, I give some updates there as well. Let me come here so cause this will obstruct my view. Okay. So here we are on the sea heading over to that side. So the piece of land from the direction we are approaching should be on the left. Now I moved to the front so that I could get a better view. So it's basically what we are seeing now. But let me show you on the Google Earth map where I think we are at now. I'm thinking right here. Yeah, right here where you see that dip in that corner like. And then we are going to move around the piece of land jutting out into the sea until we get to this point. And that should give us a better view of the land. All of the vegetation that we're looking at now are mangroves. Now, mangroves have an important role to play in this environment. They protect the shoreline from erosion. They hold the sediments together, much like tree roots prevent soil erosion on land. They protect the coastline from hurricane-force winds and waves. When you compare how calm the water is in this area compared to how it looks further out, you can see how this area really calms the waves. Mangroves also filter the water and trap any pollution or sediments being washed into the sea from land. But they do more than that. Mangroves also act as a nursery for fish, clams, and crustaceans.
People eat that shit? What's that? That look like mushrooms. Oh, see them there. Ah! I see them.
And the clams that are on the mangroves also help to keep the water clean. They do so by filter feeding, which basically means that they use their gills to collect particles in the water, which they then consume via their mouth. Then they excrete clear water. As you can see, this section is also very shallow. You can actually see the mud coming up while we are reversing. So this area is very important and needs to be protected. I'm hoping that they are going to take all the necessary precautions so that they don't destroy the mangroves. But let's take a look at the other side. Watch this video if you want to learn more about this project and other projects coming soon. See you in the next one.